Alliance Bank Online Register. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can register an Alliance Bank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to register an Alliance Bank, first of all, you have to register as an online banking, right? So let's say you want to register for online banking. Go to alliancebank.com website. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Then just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then here you can see Alliance Online. So tap on Alliance Online because we are trying to sign up. Now to sign up, you already need to have an existing bank account. We're only going to learn how we can create an online banking account, right? So you just go ahead and tap the OK option. Make sure to enter the username and so on, and then just tap the login option or clear if you want to. Now you can reactivate the access if you forgot the username, and if you are registering for the first time, tap on first time registration option here. So once you tap on the first time registration option, you have to select your account type, whether you have an account debit card or a credit card. So once you select any of these, if you have a debit card, make sure to enter your card number, the RM, the IC, passport number, mobile number, tap and submit, follow the instructions, and you would have successfully signed up for online banking. This way you can register online on Alliance Bank. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.